Hello and welcome everyone, this is your friend Himal. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Linux Mint on VirtualBox in Windows 11. To install it, first of all you need to download VirtualBox and ISO file of Linux Mint. Now, we need to download the ISO file of Linux Mint. There are 3 versions of Linux Mint: Cinnamon, Mate, XFS. It is best to use Cinnamon Edition, it is the most popular version. After downloading both of these, now we need to install VirtualBox. Now open VirtualBox, and start installation. Click on New and follow the process. Type Linux Mint. VirtualBox is smart enough to set its type and architecture. Now we need to allocate memory size for Linux Mint. You can set it up to the half of the total size. Leave all these settings as default. Now we need to allocate the size of virtual disk for Linux Mint. You can allocate it as per your requirement. I recommend you to allocate at least 30 GB. Again click on Settings, inside General choose Advanced, set both of these to bidirectional, it enables copy-paste, drag and drop items between host machine and Linux Mint. Choose System, you can change allocation of RAM from here. Choose Processor, you can allocate the CPU, set it up to the green mark to be on safe side. Click on Display, under Screen, you can allocate the video memory, you can leave it as it is, or you can set up to the half of the size. Select Storage, you need to choose ISO disk file of Linux Mint here. Now everything is set, click on Start to run the system. Select your language, keyboard layout and continue. Click on Install Multimedia Codecs. Choose Erase Disk and install Linux Mint. Set username password for usystem. During installation it may download files, and increase the installation process. You can also skip this if you lack internet. After the installation is completed, close the Linux Mint system. Now, go to Storage inside Setting, and attach the ISO disk file of Linux Mint. Now again start the Linux Mint system. Now you can see full screen resolution is not working. You have to follow these steps to view it on full screen. Click on Devices, and choose Insert Guest Edition CD image. Now again run off the system, and go to the settings. Go to Display and change the graphics controller. Again start the Linux Mint system. You can see the full screen view is working. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, it means a lot to me.